Hey, quick question. Are you tired of feeling completely overwhelmed during exam season? You've got notes scattered everywhere, deadlines you keep forgetting, study plans that you never actually follow, and every time you sit down to study, you waste 20 minutes just figuring out what to study. I get it. You open your laptop and there's stuff everywhere, notes in 5 different apps, important dates you forgot to write down, and that constant stress of, am I even studying the right thing? It's exhausting, and honestly, it kills your motivation before you even start. That's exactly why I created this Notion template for exam preparation. This isn't just another pretty template, it's a complete system that keeps everything in one place, so you can stop feeling scattered and actually focus on studying. No more guessing what to do next, no more last minute panic, just a clean, simple workspace that keeps you on track. Here's what you get. First, a complete exam dashboard. Everything you need is right there when you open it. Your upcoming exams, today's tasks, your progress. One glance and you know exactly where you stand. Second, a drag and drop deadline planner. Just drop your exams and assignments onto the calendar. You'll never miss another deadline. And third, individual subject trackers that show your progress at a glance. You can see what you covered, what's left, and how you're doing. No mental math required, and the best part, it's fully customizable. Change the covers, add your study playlist, adjust the layout to match how you study, make it your own personal study space. Students who use systems like this see real results, better discipline, less stress, and a smoother workflow. Because when you have one place for everything, studying just gets easier. If you want a minimal, easy workspace that keeps you organized without any extra effort, this template is for you. It's simple, it's practical, and it's ready to use the second you duplicate it. Stop wasting time being disorganized. Give yourself a system that actually supports you every single day. The link is in the description. Grab it now and take control of your exam prep. Let's make this your best exam season yet.